the last beer that lived in my fridge. Here we go. Ran into your mom in church. She said, I've been praying for you. Guess now that you moved on, she ain't mad at me no more. Magnolias on the shelf smell so bittersweet. Sometimes I still wanna get messed up, but you'd be proud of me. There's a beer in the fridge, last of 12. Soul's alive, my last all night in the back of the bottle shelf. It's gonna be there in the morning. Even though you won't, you're the reason I quit drinking. The reason that I wanna get drunk. Well, I still look out for the cops when I'm driving around town, and I'm still not quite sure what to do with my hands in the crowd. There's a lot I can't remember, and a lot I can't forget. One silver bullet in a chamber, and I'm playing Russian roulette with that beer in the fridge, last of 12. Soul surviving, my last all night in the back of the bottom shelf. It's gonna be there in the morning. Even though you won't, you're the reason I quit drinking. The reason that I wanna get drunk. I should probably pull it out. Guess I've got to live without you now, 'cause I couldn't live without that beer in the fridge, last of 12. Soul surviving, my last all night in the back of the bottom shelf. It's gonna be there in the morning. Even though you won't, you're the reason I quit drinking.